Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you where you can find the blueprint for Scout Ray chassis. So first of all, you'll need some kind of a tadpole or some transportation. Also, you'll need to have the heat tolerance adaptation, which is required to enter the biome where the Ray chassis is located. You can get the heat tolerance from playing the Angel Comb from Infection and using the Sonic Resonator, filling the blooms, and then inserting your hand inside of the Angel Comb score. Now, for the location, you want to go from the life pod towards east or northeast, east direction, and you'll need to go pretty far. Just go as I'm going through here, and you should see some kind of a different color of the water. This indicates that there's going to be a rise in temperature, as you can see, and you'll need the heat tolerance to go through this. Also, the location is located inside of this biome. So here you want to go down, and right here you should see an outpost that is called Tadpole Pens. Now you want to just go ahead and enter it, go straight through, and here you can find the Scout Ray chassis fragment. You're gonna need only one, but there are two of these, so make sure you scan it. And this is pretty much all how to get this Scout Ray chassis in Subnautica 2. So make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.